Today, we casually draw a cute little sister. Step 1. You start with a circle. Draw a vertical line on the right. Connect a few more lines. Draw to more horizontal lines. Determine eye position. Draw your eyebrows. Draw ears. Draw the neck again. Draw close. And then I started to draw my hair. Start with bangs. Layer by layer. And then a little bit about the facial features, especially the shape of the eyes, the position of the pupil, then the hair. Draw complete. One final adjustment. A simple line draft is finished. Here is the simplest embellishment. The process of modifying the facial features is it's similar to a child's makeup process. Just draw how it looks good. Pay attention to the lines of the hair. The lines should be as smooth as possible. It will look good if you draw it. That's all for now. I won't talk nonsense. That's about it. Erase useless lines. And finally, a little psychological shadow area. I got the previous one here. What about the pencil drawing? You can choose according to your actual situation. Choose a different pencil. And then we make some random adjustments. A casual and simple lady is drawn. So, did you learn it? Bell notification, subscribe.